Alright, y'all, let's prep these meals for lunch for the next 3 days, which will be butter rice, I already done cooked it early this morning. And here comes my daughter, because she likes to be in the camera.
The lemon was good.
That lemon was good?
Yeah.
Now for the toppings, some lemon, seasoned lemon chicken, fajita chicken, that I seasoned, and that I had let marinate. Kind of put a little too much on that one. The rest of this chicken I will be using for today's lunch.
I love today's lunch.
Today's lunch.
Today's
Hey, get out of my kitchen with all that. Cover real, baby, cover real. No, I'm playing.
what?
Sides is broccoli and carrots. I love vegetables. You love vegetables? You do? I know. All y'all like vegetables except Junior. I think he's about the only one that don't like vegetables. You like hot sauce on your vegetables? I really want you to leave those alone before you drop something. I was looking for this. Pick up now.
Why do you don't like vegetables?
I don't know, baby. I wouldn't be able to tell you why he don't like vegetables. Most kids don't like vegetables.
I do.
I mean, he like broccoli and cheese. That's the only way he likes his vegetables. Okay, so here's what it's looking like. Oh, looks good, don't it? Okay, so till next time.